So in college, when I decided, again, I think educationally, when I started to do all that medical curriculum, you become just more knowledgeable about the body, and in all different ways. And all of it always fascinated me. Like that, biology always fascinated me. I hate mathematics, hate history, but biology was something that I really took to. And so the fascination with how the body worked, and I remember taking a course in endocrinology, and it was like a curriculum requirement, but man, I loved it. I loved how the interplay of hormones and how they fed off of each other. Like, to me, the body is one of the most fascinating things in the world. Like, how does it work? Who set this thing up, this machine up, you know? So I was so into that the training part became more intricate too. Like, I started to care more about how you move when you're training, what adaptations you can make to an exercise to make it tweak, slightly differently, and feel it slightly differently. Became very much like a scientist of my own movement. And that was sort of a natural precursor then when I learned about physical therapy, where you're learning about muscles and joints and tendons, and when they get injured, like, how does that all affect your training? So it really started to feed it more. Like, and feed it in a way that I think would ultimately lead to where I am now, where I wanted to do more of this side of it, So just increased in interest with a little bit more science behind it.